Hey, what's up everybody? Never thought I'd be doing this on my Smoky Joe, Weber Smoky Joe 14-inch. Just got a Santa Maria attachment for it from Gabby's Grills. This is the first cook that you're witnessing. Have some citrus and pepper heavily seasoned chicken wings. And I have a mix of red oak and whiskey barrel oak down there for the flame and some flavor, and as well as some char logs for the heat. But yeah, coolest thing ever, man. You raise it and lower it, that's your temp control. You know, depending on how much time you have to hang out by the fire, you have it raised up like this. Slow cook it, which is what I enjoy to do. Really let that fat render in the wings, flavor the meat. But anyways, just wanted to share the first cook with you guys. So there she be. I'm not gonna do tri-bites on this video. This is just a mere sharing the first cook and seasoning of the grill grate and whatnot. All right, back at it, just doing some flips. But check it out, man. Reason I got this thing, I was not using the Smoky Joe at all. It just kind of became obsolete with all the other grills and whatnots that I have, including this 37 ranch that I haven't used yet. That's coming tomorrow, so subscribe if you haven't, get to see that. Anyways, if you like cooking with fire, man, you got to get yourself into one of these. Just sweet. Anyways, let's check it out. All right, guys. I'm gonna come back in a little bit. All right, these are about done, so I'm gonna pull them off and dig in. Have a nice juicy dinner. All right, guys, appreciate you tuning in, checking out my first cook of a zillion to come on this. Also have one for the 22-inch over yonder. But yeah, man, I will be using the Smoky Joe on a regular basis, I see, because I love to stand in front of the fire, and if I have long time to do so, I can raise this up and slow cook. If I need to rush it, I just lower it down. It's pretty sweet. All right, guys, appreciate you tuning in. Appreciate your subscriptions and all that. Comments, leave them below. Let me know what you think of this. All right, later.